We are pleased to show you the 2024 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, heated steering wheel, chrome-tipped dual exhaust. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.